Today we are going to be making homemade kinetic sand. So what you will need is cornstarch, oil, and sand. You could buy any kind of sand, but we already had this one. So let's get to it. You also need a bowl and a spoon. So let's get to it. First, you need 5 parts of sand. This thing could be big, small, but you need 5 parts. So let's just do all 5. All right, so made a little bit of mess, but not too much. All right, so now that we have our sand, we are going to get 3 parts of cornstarch. This stuff. Right, so let's open the oil and pour it in here. So, put this out of the way. And 1 cup of oil is done. So now we are going to mix it. It's very messy. Whoa. It's very kinetic sanded. Oh god, there's so much oil in here.
You could probably start mixing it with your hands. Take it off the spoon, start mixing it with your hands.
It's not very kinetic sand, it's just sand. I think I need to put like a little bit more oil.
And then keep mixing it.
Oh geez. Wow. This is actually pretty fun. Except look at my hands.
Mm-hmm.
And it gets so messy when I play with this. Make sure it's full. Take apart. Could be food from Hell's. There's more constructs in there. This is fun.
Is it kind of like real kinetic sand?
A little bit. Just won't stick together.
It's stuck together. Try it again. Try and stick it together. Okay, now put that ball like on the side. It sticks together?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that how kinetic sand works?
Yeah. My hands are really messy. Oily.
That's probably not the good part, huh?
Yeah. Not that messy now. Right. So now I'm gonna play with store kind of kinetic sand and with my homemade kinetic sand to see which one feels like kinetic sand.
Or is more fun to play with?
Yeah. All right. So this one's
I
hard.
can't see with that bag in the way.
This one's hard, and it comes apart cool. This is fun. I wonder if I could shape it into a heart. So let's bowl it into a circle.
It kind of
Or maybe a snowman.
It kind of looks like Play-Doh, kind of.
Yeah. This one you could roll like Play-Doh. Now.
All right, man. Taking forever.
Alright, hold on. There we go. That's my snowman. Now let's try this one. My homemade one. So it's not that hard, but it's fun to play with. This breaks apart a lot. I think this is real sand, not fake sand.
Or maybe the sand is too thick.
Yeah, maybe the sand's too thick. But it is fun to play with. This one's harder. Base.
It's almost like when you play with sand at the beach, huh?
Yeah.
And the other one's kind of like Play-Doh.
Yeah. They're two different things, but they're both fun to play with. This one's messy, and I like messy because I make my room a mess. I'm trying to say that you should make some at home because it's very fun to make and experiment different things with it. Like, you can make different things with it.
Is it more messy?
Yes, it's more messy. It's way so much more messy. Look at my table.
But you still like it?
Yeah, I like it.
What about the real kinetic sand from the store?
The real kinetic sand isn't messy, but it is fun to play with. I like messy, so I would go with this one. Bye guys, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye!